Hi everybody, I'm Danny Farrow with MVP Realty. If you're not doing anything today, you should come to stop by our open house from 1 to 4 p.m. in the beautiful Heritage Bay, Naples, Florida. This beautiful property has 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathrooms. It has all the amenities you need. This property comes with the Gold membership. This is the first bedroom. Hardwood floor. Check out this beautiful bathroom. Check out this gorgeous kitchen. This is the master bedroom. This is the master bathroom. If you need more details or direction to check out this property, please click on the link below or feel free to call or text me 239-571-9528 or email me DannySellsParadise@gmail.com. Have a great day. I'll see you later.